guys, I just put the kids in bed. We are going to take pregnancy test. I took one the other night, morning, and it was like, I don't know if you can see that. There's like the faintest of lines. So we have waited now. It's been like 2-3 days, but it is evening time. But I just want to take one and see. Then we can take one in the morning and tell Avery if it does go well. Welcome to my bathroom. We are about to do one of these bad boys. Let's see. So we're gonna hold this 10 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Okay, she's starting to go. Now this is a 2 lines. It's positive. So you have your test line and then your positive. I'm just gonna lay it across this here. We need to give it five or so minutes. Now this can be very negative, could also be positive. My period should either have started 3 days ago or still be 3 days from now starting. The window was very wide, so we're just gonna take this and see. If it looks like there's anything, I'll probably take one in the morning. If it looks like there's nothing, I will just wait a couple more days. Okay. It kind of looks like there's another line. It's been like not long at all. Maybe a minute. You're supposed to wait 5 minutes, so. Maybe 4. Oh my gosh. There's definitely 2 lines. I never watch these. I always watch them, but they're negative. The times when they're like, no, you're kidding me. Can you guys see it already? Can you see it already? Can you see it? Can you see it? This is so exciting! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now, we have to tell my husband good because for sure that's 2 lines. We've got to come up with something to do this weekend. I need to get a good attitude on because I'm starting to get a little crabby, a little owly. Just a little tired, but it's almost the end of the week. He's going to be on weekend mode soon. We should find something really good to do because every other time I have like gotten so nervous, somehow the conversation goes in like a negative spiral and I'm like, baby 3. So I need to be on like my best, most positive, most pumped up, like self, get something, maybe surprise him. I don't know, like, let's see. Why does it doesn't want to focus. Not on my face. Oh, there. Yeah. Okay. We'll catch back up. Probably, let's catch back up when I'm looking a little more fresh. Honestly, this is like the nicest I normally look at evening time when the kids have already went in bed. So we're doing pretty good, but let's catch back up tomorrow as we get something ready to surprise Avery with. And I'll keep you in the loop as we tell him baby number 4 is on the way. Good morning, friends. Okay, I have gotten ready for the day. We did our Saturday morning routine. I just made the bed. One of the boys is napping. The other two are out with Avery doing a little golf across the street, so that's fun for them. I'm about to start editing some videos and working on some of my work things, but I was trying to brainstorm all day yesterday, all night, how would be an appropriate way to tell Avery without being weird. I don't know, stay positive. I always get so nervous. We're both really excited about this, but I get so nervous and I don't know what to say or how to say it. So if you're anything like me, I think the better option is to not say anything. So I'm thinking the kids are probably going to want to do a coloring activity tonight, and I think I'm just going to write it on a paper, either do draw something like an oven with a bun in it, or write one word of love, or write something and have them trace it, and then invite him over to look at it so I can surprise him in that way and he can kind of catch on and then be like, yeah, whatever. Or other thought, I might just ask him hey, would you want me to just tell you or surprise you or whatever, as if nothing's really happening. But then he'll probably say, are you trying to tell me something right now? So I'm thinking the picture thing will be fun. The kids will be kind of in on it. Avery and I can do our little thing. I think it'd be a cute way. It's better than any of the other things I've come up with, and it costs no money, which is a key thing, because why spend money on something like this? We already have plenty of baby things. It's not like he wants a gift. He would already know, why did you buy me something that way? So I think just the coloring thing will be surprise-ish without being so surprised, but fun. So that's what I think we're gonna do. I'll show you our pictures and how that all plays out if I can. And the whole idea of drawing the picture did not work out. I drew a picture. It was not very cute. The day I actually wanted to tell Avery, the kids didn't want to do drawing. Then he was doing work. It was just not falling together. So I'm like, okay, we're going to need to find something else. So I decided to set up the camera in our kitchen where I normally film a lot of short form content, because I didn't think that would be too noticeable. But Avery never ended up coming into the kitchen. He was looking at photo books with the kids in the living room, which was adorable and honestly would have been a great opportunity, but I just didn't think about how to weave that into the conversation casually without it potentially turning into the spiral conversation that I do every time. So we set up the camera a whole nother day, trying it again. This time I felt like he was more likely to come into the kitchen, which did happen, but it was so brief and awkward and in the midst of me doing 12 other things. So I went into full panic and just got really awkward and was like, okay, we need to re-strategize this and come out with something way better and much more foolproof. And there was some oil on it, so I thought it's probably gonna drip down. So I found my perfect opportunity one day before church when we were all looking pretty cute to take a family picture, and this is how it went down. Right here. Cheese, Louise, a piece of cheese. Come here.
Get in the camera.
Cheese. Okay, now we gotta walk forward a bit because we're kind of far away.
Cheese.
Better and say baby four.
Baby four.
Baby four.
Baby four.
Oh
Baby
my goodness.
That's why I won.
Here we go.
Baby four.
That's so beautiful.
Arkin, you're funny.
Oh,
Arkin is
my
funny.
goodness.
I was so relieved to have told Avery after this. This is the perfect time to set up hey, we should just take a quick fam picture. I'm going to make it as a video for my YouTube. It worked out. No one was suspicious. I was able to tell him. And honestly, we were both so excited. It was a lot of fun, and then many conversations after that about our excitement and everything caught off camera. Then we had to figure out how are we going to tell all our family, since not everyone lives right near us. So we ended up coming up with an idea of how we could film a little video thing.
Well, congratulations and welcome to the team.
We'll have our experts train you right away.
Hot them the gas. Everything be a big present. Training starts today.
Go team!
As you can tell, it's a little cheesy, but it worked out pretty well. A few people we had to like play it a second time or actually just come out and sing. But all in all, we are so grateful to be welcoming a fourth baby into the Shmaya family and just, I don't know, doing this whole thing again. So I'm going to be taking you along in the coming months, all of the pregnancy journey stuff, preparing to have a baby, you know, just doing motherhood, homemaking in pregnancy, how to support your body the best, you know, all of the stuff, all the questions you have as a fourth-time mom. I feel like I've got some great stuff to share and I'm always learning. So I will be sharing everything I know with you guys. If there's anything that you're dying to know, put it in a comment below and I'll see if I can include it in one of the upcoming videos that we have. If you like that kind of stuff, make sure you are subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for being here. I hope you have the most blessed day and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.